Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to copy and paste between your phone to your computer seamlessly, okay? So first and foremost, make sure that your phone is hooked up the phone link, and if you haven't seen the video on how to set up phone link, please do in the description. But yes, so first and foremost, you're going to open up phone link, which your phone is going to be connected to. And then you're gonna want to hit the gear button to hit the settings button, and then you're gonna see all of this, right? And then you're gonna go to features, right? And then when you go to features, you're gonna want to go to sync over mobile data, so it always syncs. Okay, you're gonna check that and make sure that's sync. And then once you do that, you're gonna make sure cross device copy and paste is on. Okay, and if it's not on, you're going to want to do that. And then once you're going to do that, you're going to go to manage cross device features on this PC. Okay, because if this is not on, make sure it's on. If it's not, go down there, hit this, and then hit cross device copy and paste. Okay, and then once you do that, your phone is going to go here. Now make sure this is enabled. Okay, that needs to be enabled. This needs to be enabled. This, why not? This enable. All of these need to be enabled. Okay, and then once you have that enabled, you're going to be able to copy and paste back and forth. And then if you didn't have File Explorer already on there with your device, well, here you go. Well, that's all you need to do. Let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions, write me under the video. Peace.